Through the years, the University of Nueva Cáceres has been committed to provide quality education in the Bicol region, guided by its motto, not of school but of life, and recognized as one of the leading institutions producing excellent academic achievers, global leaders and future-ready students. The celebration continues as we open this year's Open House 2023, with the theme Future Ready Lodi, Idols of the Future. This is organized by the Admission Marketing Strategic and Communications Office, AMSCO, Vice President for Academic Affairs Office, in cooperation with Basic and Higher Education Departments. UNC always deliver its inspiration to serve the Bicolano people. Our commitment to make it happen is always at the forefront of our actions. Now, it's your time, future-ready students. Let the University Masterclass begin.